Breast cancer has touched Teresa Marandino's life. First, her mother fought it, and now her niece.
Everybody's losing somebody to breast cancer, and we as women got to find a way to stop that.
She's fighting back by participating in the BEAM study. Its aim, find ways to identify who's at risk for developing the disease.
It's really hard to estimate risk, and for an individual, the way that we estimate risk at the moment is only a little bit better than flipping a coin.
Researchers are looking at two breast cancer influences, breast estrogen and genetic changes to breast cells.
What we're hoping to do is actually develop a couple of new tests that can be applied to the cells that are obtained from the breasts of healthy high-risk women.
Breast cells from participants will be analyzed for levels of breast-produced estrogen.
We think women who develop breast cancer may have a higher concentration, higher exposure to hormones locally in the breast.
Those cells will also undergo genetic analysis, looking for changes to tumor suppressor genes.
The idea is that if the tumor suppressor genes are silenced, then those women would be at higher risk.
Both aspects of the study could play a role in the debate over when and how often women have breast mammograms or take preventative drugs like tamoxifen.
If one could identify them reliably as being at low risk for developing breast cancer, one could tailor the screening strategy towards that low-risk population.